This video will show you how to install your new Korky flush valve seal from the Fits Kohler and Mansfield flush valve seal kit. This kit comes with one seal for the Mansfield 210 and 211 flush valves and one seal for the Kohler Aquapiston Class 5 and 6 flush valves. If you have a Mansfield 210 or 211 flush valve, continue with these instructions. Otherwise, skip ahead to the timestamp. Begin by turning off the toilet's water supply. Then, flush the toilet to drain the tank of water. Remove the refill tube from the top of the white flush valve cap. Next, twist the cap counterclockwise to remove it from the flush valve. Rotate the flush valve away from the flush lever and pull the tower up to access the seal. Remove the old seal and replace it with the Korky Fits Mansfield seal. Lower the tower back onto the flush valve base and rotate the flush valve to its original position around the flush lever. Reattach the white cap to the top of the flush valve by twisting it clockwise. Insert the refill tube back into the flush valve cap. Finally, turn the water supply back on and enjoy a smooth running toilet without any leaks. Congratulations, you've successfully installed your new flush valve seal. This seal is only compatible with tower-style Kohler brand toilets. The toilet brand can be found between the tank and seat. Begin by turning off the toilet's water supply. Then, flush the toilet to drain the tank of water. Next, detach the flush lever chain from the flush lever arm. Remove the refill tube and turn the flush tower cap counterclockwise to remove it from the assembly. Pull the flush tower up to access the seal. Under the tower, remove the seal and apply the new Korky seal. Place the flush tower back on top and twist the cap clockwise to lock it into place. Put the refill tube back inside the cap and reattach the flush lever chain to the flush lever arm. Turn the water supply back on and enjoy a smooth running toilet without any leaks. Congratulations, you've successfully installed your new flush valve seal. Still have questions? Our technical support team is always willing to help.